Welcome to the 1st of December in Benidorm town. There's a lot of changes, as you can see, and we will be discovering main streets of the gorgeous city of Benidorm on the 1st of December. Enjoy! Right by the town hall, there's a lot going on. The fair, together with the artificial ice skating rink, are being prepared right now because shortly, in just a few days' time, this ice skating rink will be ready to function. We'll obviously update you guys and we will show you what is going on, but first, ice layers are already here, and the gorgeous Christmas tree and all the lights are also on. A lot of the places here are not ready just yet. First participants in the fair started to arrive. Obviously, there should be way more than that here. There's going to be bouncing beds, jumping beds. There's going to be a lot of things going on. New thing this year is this carousel that they are installing right now. There's going to be children's attractions right here too. One of them is this one, which is Tren de la Bruja. It's basically like a small train for children. Then on this side, there should be as well like cars, like smashing cars. There should be much more things going on. And right here, we will have where we usually do the stage, where we'll make the countdown. On top of the town hall, there's already Christmas lights installed, as well as on the entrance towards the square. Here we have some more places that will be changed. First of all, the Christmas guirnalds are here too. They're not turned on just yet, but they will be, don't worry. There's first ever places that start to be put in place. This is the blue wine, which is like a hot wine, spiced up wine. We like it. It's German type of wine. That's why it's called Glühwein. There's some sausages with some fries and some different types of snacks. All these places probably here and on this side will have some more like Christmas market type of things. Obviously now it is empty because it's still not the grand opening date. And the Christmas lights. Oh, Christmas guirnalds, how we love it. Let's go to the city center. It's Sunday. Places are still open. Right there on the left side, we have the famous chicken place, El Puente, where we've tried the chicken with their menu and was absolutely incredible. Have some more shops. The vast majority Chinese bazaars are open. Typical press, for example, or any kind of magazines that you want to purchase, the international ones as well, are open too. Still on Black Friday, look at this. This is a very nice sports. They have Benidorm's t-shirts, the Benidorm team. So if you want to have like Benidorm sign on them, you can purchase these sportswear, like a official one here in the city. And the famous shopping alleys. It is quite busy for 1st of December in Benidorm. Quite a lot of people here. We will go to the beach, don't worry. We will do that in a few moments, but this is the first glance at the shopping alley. Here is where you can find the famous brands, very expensive ones such as Guess, Armani, Tommy Hilfiger, and much more. They are in these types of shops, even Versace, this Roberto Cavalli, these types of shops. Then there's Glamour as well, which is more for accessories if you wish to purchase them. And a lot of other businesses situated here nearby. This is where many tourists are going. Even if it's Sunday, look at this, it is ready. Karl Lagerfeld, for example, too. And they have discounts, very nice. Typical jewelry places with natural stones, something for your phones, a lot of different sunglasses, which is ideal even now in winter. You need sunglasses when the sun is shining. It makes just your way here, your holidays here, more comfortable. Teeny tiny streets, look at this, of the traditional city center. That's how they look like. Small streets full of interesting, unusual businesses. Everything is ready for Christmas decorations here too. There's some more jewelry shops here. Candy shops. Ready with the gingerbread man, ready for Christmas. Right on this street, we also have in my opinion, my modest opinion, the best souvenir shop in Benidorm town. There's two for €1 on magnets. There's cups just for €4, bracelets. This is one of the best shops, definitely, to purchase something as a souvenir here in Benidorm town. The museum, Boca del Calvari, also free of charge museum. They do tend to have different expositions. They have different types of information that might be interesting for you. So check it out at the tourism information office. This is the entrance. Museum Boca del Calvari. And surprise, surprise, there's another souvenir shop right here nearby. 250 for magnets, slightly more expensive than the previous one. This definitely is more expensive one. And I wouldn't say that it's much, much better. Right by the Dove Park where the sun is shining, where the weather is lovely, and it's very, very warm and nice. There's a lot of people on the terraces. Many tourists are coming towards the Dove Park to enjoy one of the main attractions, which is to make pictures with the doves. Here we have the salesman who's selling basically nuts, walnuts, caramelized things, etc. But people don't eat it, obviously. What people do is give it to the birds and feed them. We did our part. One of the lovely positive attractions of interacting with Benidorm's doves and pigeons is to grab a bag for €2, €2.50. Obviously, it's for people's consumption, okay? It's not for giving food to the birds. But if you're sitting down and let's say some things will fall down on the ground on accident, you're able to kind of feed them, which is very nice with this gorgeous weather with the views towards the loveliest Poniente beach. Sit down in the park and enjoy. There are some lovely street artists who are playing some nice music here for all the people who are on the terraces enjoying some lovely day. We are on the top of the old town. Look at how gorgeous Benidorm looks like right now. Right before the celebration starts, there's already some more Christmas trees here right by the church. There are so many people outside enjoying their holidays, enjoying the gorgeous views of Benidorm town, of the skyscrapers, of the Poniente beach, levante beach, and obviously grabbing some nice drink on the sunshine. Look at that. The Mojito Bar terrace is full. There's even people swimming in the sea. That is insane. And it's 1st of December today. How about that? So if this is your answer for those of you who are coming shortly on holidays, this is what's waiting for you. Not bad, isn't it? Right here on the main square of the church and the castle viewpoint, the life is thriving. Let me tell you guys. The only bar, there's two bars basically, but the biggest one right on the castle square is full with people. Lovely, lovely place. The best place probably in the whole entire Benidorm. The highest point to grab some nice cocktails, some beer, some wine, some refreshing drink, snacks, whatever you want to enjoy everything that Benidorm has to offer. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Who wouldn't want to be here in the city with this type of weather? Let us know what weather is back in your country where you are at right now. Here, it's more than 20 degrees on the 1st of December. Many people on the viewpoint. Oh my goodness, they've even put more tables and chairs right here. Wow. Even better views from here. And look at the water. Absolutely crystal clear. People are actually heading towards the other viewpoint that we've showed you numerous times. It also appeared in our video about the ghost legend of Benidorm that we did right before the Halloween. And we've shown it to you at night, but this is what it looks like during daytime. A lot of stairs. Let's get down to the viewpoint. I have no other way. My husband and my daughter are there already, so we need to go. But those who are afraid of heights or those who are not comfortable with it, don't do it because going up the stairs or looking down, it is quite dangerous and difficult. Lovely seagull. Hello. Overlooking all the people. It's not as high if you look it from the sea. The worst part is actually getting down to it. There were many projects thinking of putting here as well an elevator or making it slightly easier to get down, but it's not the case just yet. Right by the Levante beach, we have a lovely square with some authentic bars. Picture of the old street. This is how it looked like, the exact same square where we are right now. This is where the street where we are now is this one. And this is the building. See it from here? And it's this building, which is actually on sale right now. If there are any kind of investors that you're interested on purchasing and making it a holiday hotel, maybe, or refurbish it and sell it separately, contact us and we will be able to help you out. Here is where we also have the tourism information office, which will be able to inform you if there's any kind of last minute events, anything that you didn't check on our channel but you would like to know. This is where you could go. On the left is the tapas alley at the end of this street, and on the right is the gorgeous Levante Beach Promenade. Just look at this. This is what we love to see here inside of the city. Look at that. The Levante Beach is full of sunshine now. The sun is going down slowly but surely towards the outside part, but still for now, you have all the sun for yourselves. Look at this. A lot of people on the beach now enjoying the day. This is gorgeous. What a lovely day today. The terraces are busy too. A lot of people enjoying the time here outside. Some of them are just sitting down on the numerous benches that were installed in this area some time ago. Others grab some drinks and snacks with the beautiful views of the Levante Beach. There are some menus here. This one is for 28 euros, including dessert and bread. This one is salad, gyozas, white shrimps, and to choose from either fish from the local lonja, which is pork, rice, or a meat plate. A lot more options are available here for you. But this is the atmosphere that we're willing to see here in town. People having lovely holidays, enjoying the day, going to the beach bare feet, swimming even. Why not? This is how it should be. This is why thousands and thousands choose Benidorm town to come here on holiday. Not even in summer season. Why not? People are still using flip-flops, shirts, t-shirts, summer dresses, as you can see, bare feet. And people are happy because the atmosphere allows it. Gorgeous 1st of December. Let us know which one is your favorite season to come here on holidays. I'm quite sure there will be those who love summer, who love the heat, hot temperatures, and a lot of movement around. But to be honest with you, this is the perfect time. Not every single year it's exactly the same, but hey, 1st of December, and to be looking like this, it's an absolute glory. Right here by the beach, police presence always important. The city sports bar, absolutely bizarre. Full today, the fullest. People are grabbing cocktails, enjoying their time on the terrace. Hey, that's what holidays are all about. Look at this. That is insane. That is gorgeous. Right here in the city center, close to the Techno Kid and by the Madeira Central Hotel, as usual, there are the same Christmas lights, the same giant arcs that have been here for years and years and years. They're still here and they will be turned on at the same day whenever the lights in the whole entire Benidorm will be turned on, the same as all the Christmas tree lights. Let's see if they've put something new or interesting right by the Techno Kid. Right here by the Techno Kid, we have our gorgeous square with some oranges growing as usual. No one's touching them, no one's taking them, no one is eating them because that was a typical thing to see. New thing. This one is a new thing. They've put Christmas decorations on the ficus, which I personally like. That's a great idea. They've added all these and it gives a special touch to this giant, humongous tree that is located right in the center. Great, great idea. This tree right here usually has some ornaments, but this time they did not put any. And then there are some more ornaments here, like the giant gift box and the giant star. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video. We wish you a lovely, lovely day. Great holidays if you will be coming on once. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you still did not do so. Comment down below. We wish you a great day and we'll see you in a new video here on the channel. Bye, Dees.